With our first Touge2Track event looming upon us, we spent a few days prepping both Civics for the track day at Big Willow. This includes oil changes, nut and bolt checks, spark plugs, and so on. So we didn't have the luxury to tow one of the cars to the track this time, but not to worry, we loaded up the cars with absolutely everything we might need for this track day, including spare parts, tools, and so on, and made the trip over to Willow Springs. With all of our pre-session checks done, including checking wheel torque and tire pressures, we headed out for a couple of sessions to feel the cars out.
Some dumbass fool spun out in front of me.
What?
Someone spun out in front of me and threw a bunch of debris and my car got it.
Despite some other drivers' over-ambition on a warm-up lap, we got to work removing all of the dirt and rocks that collected all over the front end of the car, as well as assessing any damage. We also patched up the bumper as best as we could to get the car back out. As much as this sucked, it's all a part of racing. We're just lucky that the car didn't get too damaged and no one got hurt, but it could have been a lot worse. the day went pretty well. Lewis had a good base time to improve upon in the future, and I beat my previous PB by quite a bit. With the day now over, we packed everything back up and headed home. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it was a short one, but we'll be back out at the track as soon as we can. Thanks for watching, and remember, function, momentum, grip.